This is my ceiling fan. It's like a boho style ceiling fan. It has 5 blades, a flush mount base. It has a reversible motor and lights. The blades are also reversible. So it's like a wood color on the other side. It has these cute beads, 2 spots for bulbs, 5 blades. I think they're 48 inches. So there's a switch on my wall to turn it on and off, but it also came with this remote to turn it off, 3 speeds, turn the light on and off, and then also set a timer. So I'll show you how I turn it on. One, I'll turn the light on. This fan speed up. It's pretty quiet. I'll turn it up to the 3rd speed setting. It puts off a really nice, powerful breeze. Off. Just a cute fan light.